Now if you watch me at all over a little bit of time, I love flavor. Flavors. Well, it's all about the flavor. It's cooked with bone broth, chicken bone broth. That's wonderful. So I love RockFish. Hired a charter a few years ago and came home with 35 pounds of filleted RockFish. So I tried all these different recipes. See what I like the best? And today I'm going to show you what I came up with. So easy, so simple. Thanks for watching. So today we're starting off with my favorite brown rice. Now this brown rice is really nice. It's a little bit more expensive than the normal brown rice, but I think it's worth it because the taste is wonderful. Now I didn't cook this in water. I cooked it in bone broth I made up this morning. Plus I added just a little bit of butter and just a little bit of chicken seasoning. So we got a little bit of dill, the RockFish, lemon, carrots, and a little bit of butter seasoning from the butcher, and my favorite capers. So let's get cooking. So we're going to be starting this off with the sauce first, because I have to cook everything down. The fish takes a second. The rice is just cooked, just finished up now, so we're working on the sauce. I want to take a little bit of lemon rind. I just like lemon rind very much. I'm going to throw in some lemon juice. Not too much. I don't want to overpower the fish. RockFish taste, it's very delicate, but it's very good. Put these in it. Because I like having this in the sauce. I think it's wonderful. I'm going to go ahead and cook up the carrots very gently with everything else. And of course, my capers. Now if you watch me at all over a little bit of time, I love flavor. Flavors. Well, it's all about the flavor. Now see how that? Very gently cooked. It's only been cooking like a minute or two. I'm going to pull this aside. Let that sit there. A little bit of herb butter that they gave me at the butcher shop. See if I like it. That's nice. That's really nice. Not too strong. Really nice. Very good. Now I want my seasoning to bloom a bit. So I'm putting it in. Let that seasoning bloom. We're going to lay in my piece of RockFish. That just smells wonderful. A RockFish is a fast cooker. So I'm going to cook it up. I'm just going to set it aside. We're going to prep the rice. And by the way, thank you fishermen for the RockFish. If you're out there and you're a fisherman, thank you. I appreciate that. You guys work so hard. So I'm going to turn this off now. I'm going to build the dish. As I said earlier, my rice is cooked with bone broth, chicken bone broth, and a little bit of the chicken broth, the kind that you get in the jars. That's wonderful. See that? Really fluffy, just perfect. You're going to have to figure out what measurements work good for you. I always use the same type of brown rice because this is the brown rice I like. I cook this for about 45 minutes, then I turn it off and I just let it, without lifting the lid, I just let it simmer with the lid on. And after the lid's off, I fluff it. Okay, let's see if I can get this off. Oh yeah, there we go, there we go. Wonderful. Isn't that great? There we go. Oh, lovely. Well, it fell down a bit. No big deal. I know I wouldn't make it in a restaurant. By the way, I've worked in a commercial restaurant. They work so hard, I cannot believe it. So all you chefs out there who do what you do, thank you. I mean, really thank you. It's just, what you do is fantastic. All the way from the line cooks to the high-end fancy restaurants. You guys are rock stars. Yeah, you guys are rock stars. Okay, there we go. A little bit of this. Gotta have my capers. Gotta have my butter. Oh, so beautiful. And I'm gonna put in a little extra lemon just in case I feel in the mood. There you go. That is magnificent. Look at that. It is so beautiful. So beautiful. So this turned out fantastic. The brown rice with broth and seasoning. And the capers and the lemon. I like the lemon peel. Not too much, just enough. Really nice. And carrots are really fresh. Very tasty. If you're gonna do carrots, be sure to taste them before you cook them. A lot of times you don't want to cook them. They're so good. So, made my happy dance, man. Remember, you gotta like you. Otherwise, no one else is gonna like you. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.